Hello and welcome to UnlockLife, a world where every senior feels independent and confident. You are listening to our Take It Easy series. Our seniors ask us many technology related questions and we love answering them. When they feel confident about using technology, we feel the happiest. That's why we thought of sharing it with all the seniors who wish to be independent and confident. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to find and make YouTube playlists. YouTube playlists are collection of similar songs or videos. For example, all of Kishore Kumar's hits or the best ghazals can be a playlist. It's like when you recorded your favorite songs on cassettes. All you have to do is start the playlist and similar songs will play one after the other automatically. Let's see how to do that. Let's open the YouTube app and search for a playlist that you like. Let's try searching for Kishore Kumar hit songs. Scroll a bit to find music albums and tap on a music album from the results. These are playlists shown by YouTube automatically. An easy way to differentiate playlists from songs is that playlists always have the number of songs written next to it. If there is no number, it's not a playlist but just one individual song. For example, here you can see 1/30 written next to the name, which means that this playlist has 30 songs and the first song is being played now. In this playlist, if you don't like a particular song, you can always skip it by tapping on the next song. You can also change the order of the songs. If you would like to randomly change the order, then just tap on the shuffle icon. It looks like a cross. You can also rearrange it according to your preferences by tapping and holding the two lines icon on the left side of the song name and dragging it up or down. You can also create your own playlist on YouTube. Just select a song and tap on the three-dot menu on the right of the song name and select Save to Playlist. You can create a new playlist or save it to an existing one. You can create any number of playlists that you want. You can choose access as private if you would like to keep it private only to yourself. Making it public will share it openly on YouTube. The icon that you see next to the shuffle icon is a loop icon. What it means is that once the playlist is played completely, it will again start to play from the first song. That is, it will play the playlist in a loop. To get better song recommendations from YouTube, you can tap on thumbs up or thumbs down icon as well. This will tell YouTube what you like and what you don't like, so that from the next time onward, it will show you songs more like your favorites. There is another app that you can try, which is the YouTube Music app. It is focused on music and also has the audio only option. So the next time when you are traveling and you don't have a good internet connection, you can try using the YouTube Music app just to listen to your favorite songs. So sit back, relax and enjoy your favorite music. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. If you have more questions, please tell us in the comments and we will answer it. We are eagerly waiting to get your blessings and feedback. You can call us on 98989 58411 or WhatsApp us on the same number. Thank you and see you again soon.